Good morning, students. Let us start the next exercise, exercise 4.4. So, in this exercise, when three sides and two included angles are given, okay, three sides and two angles are given, we can use this method to draw the given quadrilateral. So, I am drawing the first one, quadrilateral DEAR. DE is equal to 4 centimeter, EA is equal to 5 centimeter, AR is equal to 4.5 centimeter, angle E is equal to 60 degree, angle A is equal to 90 degree. Just I am giving you the rough figure now. Okay, quadrilateral deer. So I am drawing the quadrilateral deer and D start with here E A R D E. That means this side is equal to 4 centimeter. Next is E A, which is equal to 5 centimeter. A R, this side is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Angle E 60 degree. Angle A, this one is equal to 90 degree. So let us draw the fair figure of this rough figure. Okay. So let us draw first line AE. AE is equal to what? That is 5 centimeter. So I am taking 0 to 5 here. So this is 5 centimeter. I am marking it as A and D are the endpoints. And the length is 5 centimeter. Okay. So after that we should mark 4.5 centimeter. Here it is 90 degree. 4.4 centimeter. Here it is 60 degree. So I am taking protractor here and marking 90 degree here. So this is 90 degree. After marking 90 degree by using protractor, I am drawing a straight line which is passing through this point from A. Okay, and A to R, what is the distance between A to R? That is 4.5 centimeters. So I am going to take 4.5 on this compass from 0 to 4.5. This is the length. You can check here. This is 4.5. Okay, so making A as center, I am marking one arrow here. This is 4.5 centimeter, and this meeting point we can mark it as R. So I marked it as R. This is 90 degree I marked here, and length of AR is 4.5 centimeter marked here. Next, angle E is equal to 60 degree. So if angle and length are given, first you should mark angle. After that, in that angle line you should mark the length of the side. Okay. So first I am making 60 degree. So making E as center, the line goes to this direction. So you can take it from the outside 0 on the left hand side. So 0 10 and continuing like this. Here it is 60 degree. You can check here 60 degree I marked here. Okay. So after that, from E I am drawing a line which is passing through that point. Okay. After that, what is the length of E and D? ED is equal to 4 centimeter. So I am taking here 4 centimeter on compass. Okay, so this is 4 centimeter. Now you got 4 centimeter by using scale and compass. After that, making E as center, draw one arc. This meeting point, this arc is meeting the point here D. So I am marking it as D. After that, ED is equal to 4 centimeter, angle E is equal to 60 degree. Right? After that, we can join the points R and D. I am joining the point R and D. Now we got DEAR. Dear is the required quadrilateral. Okay. Just like we can do the next question also. Second part. Okay. Quadrilateral true. TRUE. So how can we draw this quadrilateral here? True. TR is equal to 3.5 centimeter. RU is equal to 3 centimeter. UE is equal to 4 centimeter. Angle R is equal to 75 degree. Angle U is equal to 120 degree. So I am making one rough figure here. This is the rough figure of any. You can make rough figure at any angle and any length. Okay. One quadrilateral you should draw here. So after that I am marking here T R U E. TR is equal to 3.5, RU is equal to 3 centimeter, UE is equal to 4 centimeter, angle R is equal to 75 degree, angle U is equal to 120 degree. So this is you can draw easily because these two angles contains this line, correct? UR. So first draw the line UR here. UR, that is equal to 3 centimeter, correct? So I am marking here 3 centimeter by using scale and pencil. So this is 3 centimeter, marking it as R and U. This is 3 centimeter. From R, what is the degree here? 75 degree. So you can make R as center, then mark 75 degree here. This is 75 degree. Okay. After that, joining this line. Okay, so this is the join line which is passing through the point R. After that, what is RT? RT is 3.5. So take 3.5 on the scale and pencil. Mark, draw an arc which is the length of 3.5. Making R as center because RT is 3.5, right? So making R as center, draw one arc. So this is 3.5 centimeter. You can mark it as T. URT. Next we have to find out this point E. How can we find? You should take 120 degree by using compass here, and this is the line, so take the 120 from outside point. This is the 120 point. Okay, so after that, joining these two points you will get another straight line. Then what is UE? UE is 4 centimeter. 0 to 4. This is the length 4 centimeter. Okay, after that UE, mark it as, draw an arc. This is the point E, and this is 4 centimeter. This is 120 degree. This is 75 degree. Then join the points E and T. You will get the required quadrilateral. Okay, I am joining the points E and T here. So this is the required quadrilateral. So I draw this figure, rough figure, but here in the fair figure I draw the line RU first because we have the measurements from RU. This line, angle, this angle R, everything from the line RU. So I draw the line RU. So I take this figure in the just opposite, in the clockwise direction. I turn this figure here. This is the fair figure. Okay, so just like you can draw these two figures. Complete the exercise 4.4.